Hello, it's time to do our digraph of the week. Remember, digraphs are two letters that make one sound. So let's look at the sounds that we've learnt so far. Ch, ch, for achoo. Th, th, for thank you. Said the horse to the hissing snake. A thing on a string. I think I stink. A. May I play? E. What can you see? I. Fly high. That was our sound last week. But this week we're going to be learning this sound. Two letters that make one sound. Which letters can you see? O and W. But they don't make the sound opwa. They make the sound O. Can you see that? O. On the back is a picture of a polar bear. What's the polar bear doing? Yeah, he's blowing the snow. Polar bears live where it's very cold and there's lots of snow. So he's blowing the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Can you do that? When I show you this side, say oh. When I show you this side, say blow the snow. Ready? Oh. Oh. Blow the snow. Oh. Blow the snow. Blow the snow. Oh, I can't trick you. Oh, very good. Now we're going to be looking for the sound O in some of my words, and I have my highlighter pen ready. So remember, you can get your worksheet for this on Tapestry. You can print them out if you have a printer. If not, you could write some of these words down and have a go in a minute. So, the first word we're going to look at is this one. Can you see the sound O? So we're looking for an O and a W. O and W. There it is. So let's highlight that one and then we can read it together. So the first sound is B. O. O. B. O. Blow. Just like the polar bear. He was blowing the snow. Have a look at the next word. Can you see the sound O anywhere? Yeah, there it is, an O and a W. Let's highlight that one. You can do it on your sheet. There it is. S-N-O. S-N-O. Snow. Fantastic, well done. Okay, let's see if we can find O in the next word. See the word O? Yeah, there it is. O and a W. Oops. Can you highlight the sound O? If you haven't got a highlighter, you can draw a line underneath. S-O-O. Slow. word slow. What about this word? Can you see the sound O anywhere? There it is, there's an O and there's a W. Let's highlight those. There we go. What's the first sound? Oh, look, here are two letters that make one sound as well. Can you remember this sound? Let's see if I can find my flashcard. This is the sound shh, shh, said the horse to the hissing snake. Shh, oh, show. Like you might show your friend something, or you might go and see a show. Oh, we have 3 more words to do. Let's have a look. Can you be an O detective and find the O sound? Yeah, there it is, right at the end. Can you highlight it or draw a line underneath? Great job, well done. Now, this is a tricky word because at the beginning there's a kicking k. Can you see that? But this is what we call a silent k. It means we don't say the k sound. It's really, really quiet. So we're just going to say the ready? Oh, no. Like, I know you're all very good at reading. I know that it's a rainy day today. No. Can you see the sound O in this word? Yeah, there it is at the end. What's the first sound? Ooh, oh, flow. Flow. Fantastic, just like a river flows. Oh, one more word. Can you see the O sound? Great. You highlight yours or put a line underneath. Great job, well done. Let's say the sounds together. G, O, O. G, O, O, glow. Fantastic, well done. At night time, stars glow, don't they? Let's have a look at all those words that we found the O sound in. Blow, snow, slow, show, know, flow, and glow. So these are the words that I would like you to practice reading this week. If you can, practice reading them every day this week. You could always pop them on your fridge, or you could have a go at painting these words or making these words with Play-Doh or colouring these words in. You can use a highlighter like I did. You can do them in any way you want. Have a little practice this week at the sound O, blow the snow. And I will see you next week for our new digraph sound. Bye!